Hi, my name is Greg Kufis, National Sales Manager from BisCo Dental. Today I would like to demonstrate the benefits of BisCover LV. BisCover LV is an extremely versatile, low-viscosity liquid polish that can be used on direct or indirect composite restorations, provisionals, and appliances, as well as directly on enamel in applications such as bleaching or orthodontic applications. BisCo was the first company to offer a universal brush-on aesthetic sealant and glaze that could be used intraorally. Traditional glazing resins were only indicated for use extraorally, many for provisionals only, and often have unpleasant odors. BisCo developed the unique chemistry found in BisCover LV that allows it to cure with no sticky oxygen-inhibited layer. As shown here, after curing, you can rub a brush and the finish remains smooth. On the other hand, after curing a competitive product and rubbing a brush over the surface, you can see marks on the oxygen-inhibited layer. This layer is sticky and requires additional steps to be removed, which can also impede the shine. Application of BisCover LV is simple and can greatly reduce the time required for polishing. Let me demonstrate. Place a drop of BisCover LV in a mixing well. A small amount is all you need. You may notice the material is yellow in color. This is due to the photoinitiator. The proprietary chemistry in BisCover LV has an auto-bleaching effect that eliminates the yellow color upon curing the material. Use a bristle brush and brush on a very thin coat of BisCover LV. Start by making sure there is not too much material on the brush. Remember, it is always easier to add another coat if necessary than to remove excess material. A thin layer is all that is required, and using the right amount is one of the keys to success with this product. Allow 15 seconds for evaporation, but do not air thin. This may cause ripples on the surface. The time period is extremely important. If you do not wait long enough, the solvent may get trapped and result in white spots in the restoration. On the other hand, waiting too long may weaken the auto-bleaching effect. Light cure for 30 seconds using a halogen or LED light. The light intensity is very important to ensure the final quality of BisCover LV. The minimum output should be 500 milliwatts per centimeter squared. Always certify that your curing light is operating with the adequate power density. You should also regularly inspect the light probe to ensure that it is clean and undamaged. If using BisCover LV on previous placed composite restorations, it is recommended to etch, rinse, and air dry the surface prior to placement of BisCover LV. This step is to ensure the surface is fully clean prior to placement. Following these simple guidelines leads to a smooth and glossy restoration surface. And again, BisCover LV leaves no sticky oxygen-inhibited layer, unlike many of our competitors. There are many benefits to using BisCover LV, in addition to the aesthetic high-gloss finish. As you can see in this SEM, BisCover LV seals composite restorations and may fill structural micro defects and micro fissures that are caused by finishing procedures. It prevents microbial attack. It will also prevent staining and increase wear resistance. With BisCover LV's many benefits and unique and varied applications, it is a versatile tool to add to your practice. To learn more about BisCover LV, call BisCo Direct to speak to your account specialist or visit dentalcompare.com.